Okay guys, so I've decided to have another look at that loop, you know, the one that was a bit funny. So I'm going to call it up now. See if I can fix it. So you got to excuse me peeps, I've been on the road all weekend, DJing and stuff, and I'm just chilling out now, enjoying a bit of Amiga. Okay, that's terrible.
Come road boy. Come road boy.
Alright, so. Hold on.
Come road boy.
Okay, so. Okay, instrument numbers. Right. Okay, zoning out here, man. Serious. Okay, so. Let's see. Alt and left and right. Okay, D. So D. So if you go up to the instruments here, keep going to a CD. 2, 3. Hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D. There you go. So dub loop, yeah. Now let's try changing the pitch. Yeah, man, that's like it's too fast. I'm going to copy and paste this real quick. 1 minute. Copy block and new block. Go to the blocks. Number 6. Paste block. Okay, so let's get rid of the Commodore boy for a minute, so we can just focus on what we're doing because it's just too manic. Right, get rid of Commodore boy for a second. We could do one of these blocks at the start anyway, but it doesn't actually do that. Okay, so let's get this loop right. Terrible. Fine tune. Tricky. Stop the front. Pitch. Man, what a buzzard, man. Right, this thing wants beef. I'm going to chop all this off. Chopping. Right, a bit more, come on. Oh, that's tighter. Play back. Ooh. What does he sound like now? Alright, save. Right, let's go back in. A little bit more, see what happens. Sounds better. I think that sounds quite tight actually. Sometimes you've got to battle with your loops, Pete. Still, percussion's not quite right. You know, I liked it when it was like a -1. Watch it. Yeah, it's more like... Not exactly Ableton Live, but yeah. Okay, so now this block here could be the intro. So part of the intro. So instead of going into... Whoa, sorry, please. So you got that. Right, so we're going to get rid of that Come Rude Boy bit there. Right, let's insert new here. Let's append new here. No, sorry. Insert into sequence. Oh, it's a block list. Oh, what am I like? Song. Right. Okay, so we got 2 zeros there. Right, so we got a 0 there. Right, so let's make that. So we got 0, 0. Then we got 6. So it goes up to block 6, I believe. Let me just see what these blocks are. So block 6 is what? No, so we don't want that. We maybe want block. Get rid of block 8. We want block 7. That's it. That's the one we want there. Yeah. So block 7 is going to come in on the sequence here now. Boom. Yeah. There we go. Block 7, and then we're going to insert again another block 7. So here that sounds now. So it gives it a bit more of a rolling. That one there, let me just get rid of that, because I want to, you see that last block, it sounded like it could have done with a Come Rude Boy in it. So let's do this song sequence. Let's get rid of one of those. It's going to be tricky, because we don't want Come Rude Boy on all of these, so we're going to have to go. Alright, so let's do this. 7. So we're going to go 7, 2, 7, 2. So block 7, then block 2. Block 7, then block 2. Yeah, block 7, block 2. There you go. Block 7, block 2. Then block 7 again. So that means it's going to say Come Rude Boy. Yeah. Then block 2. So it's going to sound something like this. Let's start from here, start from here. Okay, start from the top. Check it out, Progressing quite well, Pete. Nice, got a nice little roll to it. Right, too many Come Rude Boys. Okay, it's a good start. Right, too many Come Rude Boys, but we'll sort that out. We're going to find some other bits and pieces. So guys, that's it. Go in, if the sample's giving you grief, go in, have a battle with it, get it tight. So that's it. That's it. I'm going to stop this video for today, and I'm going to come back again when I got some more ideas. That little loop bit there was just bugging me, and wanted to fix it. So you're going to have to get your loops tight if you want your beats to sound good and, you know, like rhythmatic. You know, they've got to be tight. So that being said, please like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. Peace.